Hi all, it's Sally Rosher here at Measuring Minds, and I wanted to talk a bit about a few of the tips and tricks that I use when working with your child. I know that it can be scary and intimidating, especially coming into a new office and having a stranger ask you a lot of questions about yourself. And so here are a few of the things that I use to motivate the kids. So first of all, I like to use a lot of positive reinforcement. So for the younger kids, stickers work really well. I have never seen a 4 or 5-year-old not do just about anything for some stickers. And extra bonus points if they are glitter stickers. So as you can see, I've got Moana, Peppa the Pig, Paw Patrol, all different kinds to help the kids stay motivated. And then if that doesn't work, I also have a treasure box that I tell the kids if they work extra hard and do their best, which I know that they all will, then they can pick something from the treasure box and you're gonna get a sneak peek. You can see I've got some Halloween goodies and some Slinkies and pretty much all the things that the kids would like. So now let's talk about the older kids, because I know the middle schoolers, high schoolers can be a little bit trickier to motivate. So we have vending machines here at the office, and of course this would only be with parent support and approval. I let the kids go and take a break, either a phone break or we'll take a little trip to the vending machines and they can pick something out. And then for the really tricky kids, if it's a concern with behavior or even children possibly on the autism spectrum that are really have a hard time with transitions, then I will sometimes send a welcome video. So it will be myself talking and welcoming the kids, a personalized video for the kids to see so they can see myself. And I also have lots of pictures of the office on my website and on our Google business page. So it allows the kids to kind of see the environment before they come here. And very worst case scenario, then we will reschedule. Okay, so if your child comes and they're having a really bad day and they are just not feeling it, then I am happy to reschedule, because I want to see, of course I want to see those problematic behaviors, but I also want to see your child doing their best.